Okay, so we are at the point where we're ready to make the top of this pot. We've gotten to at least 5 to 6, somewhere in there across. And so what I want you to do is really tip this to the side and look at it from the side of the pot and think about, what do you envision up here? Okay, what shape do you want this to be? Because it can be lots of things. You know, covering this up makes it seem like there's already a pot or part of a pot up there. So just drawing yourself some type of line and looking at what you envision, okay, this looking like is kind of a good thing. Do you want it to be skinnier? Okay, right here, would you rather this go up more and then go in and come back out? Okay, because you do have a choice. Okay, lots of people think, oh, I don't have a choice on what this is going to look like, but you really do. Do you want this to start to go in and get really skinny and come back out? Okay, so you have something that looks more like that. Okay, I know these are just kind of scribbles, but this is what I'm kind of getting at, is that you have to be thinking right now what your plan is. Okay, and remember that the way that you make it do this is by the direction of these small slabs. So right now, these are straight up and down, okay? You see that? So now if I was starting to do this black or this green line, I would be starting to go in, okay? I would tip these in, okay? Because you can see that that's the direction that they go. If I want this to get bigger, then I would keep them straight up and down. Okay, and then same thing. Once I am to the point where like this is my smallest area, then I'm gonna have to start changing the direction that I have these pieces. Okay, so we're about halfway. Okay, once you get to this point, we're probably 3 to 4 inches tall. Okay, for at least this person. So that's where you're headed. But if you don't have any idea of what you want it to look like, then it's probably just gonna look just like that. Okay, you're just gonna get what you get. Okay, but within being intentional, then you can angle the pieces the direction you want them to go, and you can create a form that you want. Okay. Okay, so let's be thinking about that and keep working.